Okay, let's go.
Whew. Day 2 guys, today we'll be rolling with a simple mindset hack. Small changes, big bounce back. So here's one of the small change I made this morning. My iced coffee, but less sugar. I know this doesn't seem like much, but it's going to add up in the long run. Update from last night, no snacking, which is a win, but I was struggling to fall asleep. The hunger was real and struggled with it, so I didn't snack, but I didn't manage to sleep early. Don't worry, sleep goes! Still work in progress. Speaking of small changes, this has been my go-to vlog mic, or all my mics that I use to record my videos. It's the DJI wireless mic 2. So as you can see, it's small, but it's still not as discreet, and it can show up in the videos. Small little things like this that makes a big difference. So I got this, the Holyland M2S wireless microphone. Let's unbox this. Yeah, I'm gonna unbox this and show you how small it is. Holyland. This is actually not an unboxing video, but yeah. This is the charging case. This is the wireless receiver. This is actually, it comes with 2 microphones. Look at that. This is not the outside of the microphone. The outside of the microphone is actually this over here. So this will be hidden inside your shirt, and this will be the outside. The battery pack and everything else is inside this component here. It clips onto your shirt, t-shirt, but it's so small you can hardly see it. This is the microphone. It's going to be so good, and you don't come with only one. So now I can actually, we have 2 people talking at the same time, and it will pick up both of our voices clearly. And this is the wireless receiver for your iPhone. So just plug it in, and it's good to go. Compare the form factor of the microphones. Imagine this, which is on my shirt, compared to this small little dot here. Can you see the microphone? No! I mean, you can still see it, but it's almost not there, right? There's also the noise cancellation function, which I have not actually known how to do it yet, but compared to this, you can see how big a difference this is going to be. Game changer! Small changes, big difference, guys. Alright guys, this is amazing. So another fun fact, this small little device actually lasts way longer than I expected. I thought it would last only about 10 hours, but apparently it lasts 24 hours. So without charge, without even putting it back into the charging port, this can last for 24 hours, which is a long time. Can lock the whole day. I don't have to take it out, just leave it on. I usually forget to turn on the microphone, like yesterday's the vlog 1 at the end. I actually forgot to turn on the microphone, but now I don't have to worry about this because it's going to be on the whole day. Just leave it on. So happy with this. Heading to Tipsy Unicorn, and if you are coming here in 2 weeks, you can stop at Beach Station, and if you're driving, you can park at Beach Station car park. Have a short 5 minutes walk down. What's happening here today? GrillFest. Let's check this out. Oh, looks like there's a lot of grills happening here. Hopefully they'll be here in 2 weeks. Then we can have our beach party and we can have a grill party after. It smells good. It's a GrillFest here. Oh. Crazy. Look at the smoke. Wow, it smells good. I really hope they are still here in 2 weeks time. That'll be perfect. After bounce party, we can grill bounce. Make grill bounce, grill party. Good food, good music, good vibes. The whole street is just grilled food. GrillFest happening from 17-18 July all the way to 10 July. So they'll be here when we are having our bounce party. Smells so good. Should have brought more people down today. Wasn't expecting this today. very surprised, very hungry now. We're right at the end of the GrillFest street. Right, Tipsy Unicorn is just here. It's gonna be amazing on August 2nd, guys. Gonna bounce, gonna drink. We're gonna have a feast after. I'm excited. I'm really excited. Gonna bring you guys inside. This is the space. For those who have not come here before, this is Tipsy Unicorn. And we're going to be bouncing here. Let's go! Every ticket gets you one house pour, any alcoholic drinks, or if you're a non-alcoholic drinker, you don't drink alcoholic drinks, you can also get soft drinks. So after bounce, we're going to be heading down. You can stay on for the party, or we can go and eat at GrillFest first, and then we can come back and party later, no problem. You can always go in and out. Guys, so see you guys here. It's gonna be a fun time. We're gonna party together. We're gonna have some fun games before the bounce. So if you are here for either session, you can come earlier, 5:30. You can come and eat first in the afternoon. Come at bounce, party, and then eat some more. Since I'm here, I might as well complete my push-ups for the day. Let's bang this out. Okay, push-ups done for the day. Look at this, the sun is setting just in time. Beautiful sunset. Come and take more pictures. It's gonna be very fun. Alright, what I want to say. Short vlog update for everybody. See you guys here, August 2nd. Okay, see you guys on the next vlog. Bye.